Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I'm going to show you a very old breakfast that people ate instead of oatmeal and cream of wheat. This is cream of buckwheat. This is made by Burkett Mills. They're a company from upstate New York and they were founded in 1797. If you're familiar with grits, these are like buckwheat grits. Grandpa's going to have this for breakfast, so he's going to make it today. Let's see what it says on the back of the box. Special diets and infants. Infants and individuals on special diets thrive on cream of buckwheat cereal. It is a wheat-free and gluten-free, which makes it extremely easy to digest. Digest slowly. An ideal starter food for infants, and of course because Pocono cream of buckwheat cereal is 100% pure organic buckwheat, you never have to worry about artificial additives, fortifiers, or preservatives. Follow directions above using water, infant's formula, or milk and cream of buckwheat cereal, omitting salt. To serve, store in infant formula or milk for desired consistency. Leftovers, freeze prepared cream of buckwheat cereal in ice cube trays. When frozen, store cubes in container in freezer and microwave or heat on stove as needed.
Grandpa here. I have my pot and I'm making 2 servings of cream of buckwheat. First I have to put 2½ cups of water into the pot. Now I'm bringing the water to a boil. This is what the cream of buckwheat looks like. My water just came up to a boil and now I'm going to put in my cream of buckwheat. Slowly stir it in. We have to bring it back to a boil, then put it on low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Now we're going to put it on low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. They say you stir it occasionally. It looks like the cereal is about done. We'll leave it on for another minute. This is what it looks like when it's done. I have a pat of butter on it. Now I'm going to put some honey on it. You eat this however you like to eat, cream of wheat or oatmeal.
How's it taste, Grandpa?
I'll let you know in a minute, Ma. Tastes good, very good. Got a nice flavor to it with the honey and the butter in there. It tastes like cream of wheat, but it's buckwheat instead. Buckwheat has a nice flavor. It's thicker than cream of wheat, but not as thick as oatmeal. It's a very nice warm cereal to have, especially in the winter time. It also reminds me of rice or a risotto. This is a very filling breakfast and I'm having it with my coffee and orange juice.